My car is at the original garage in Manti, Utah. I'm going to give you a little bit of a progress report on it. As you can see, getting to see a car while body work is being done is kind of like having a bad hair day with bad lighting all at the same time. It's not real glamorous, but I tell you what, I got an up close look at this thing and it's going to look nice. As I walked around the car with them, it was really cool to have them show me what they've done, but looking at some details that I wouldn't have understand. I've never been a body guy, but I have seen a lot of nice cars. I've had some nice looking cars. I know what I want it to look like, but they know how to get it there. And seeing the behind the scenes stuff that they're thinking through, it's really exciting to see this thing and get an idea of how nice it's going to look. I can't wait. Something that they're doing there is they're sending me pictures of the progress, and that's what you're seeing here. I roughly have these stills in there in the order that they sent them to me over the weeks that they've had the car. And then I was able to get down there, and the walk around video I've got is the one where it actually was down at the shop. So that's the latest chunk of progress on. I've talked about this a few times on Pete's Snakebite Kit, but the paint job does represent your project. And that's what people see, and you know how good the car is underneath, or how fast it is, or how balanced it is, or how well it handles. When people walk up to the show or down the street or Cars and Coffee, they look at the paint and they go, huh, nice car. And it's what I like. I love a nice paint job. So I'm stepping up here. I really think I chose the right place at the original garage, and I just cannot wait to see this thing done. It's going to cost me some coin, but I think it's going to be money well spent. And when it's done, you guys are going to see it. There's the progress report on the paint. Hey, in the meantime, you guys be careful, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.